Alright, so today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite applications, and it's called IRSSI. And what it is an IRC application. If you don't know what that is, IRC is basically stands for Internet Relay Chat, and it's one of the oldest chat protocols there is. So if you compare it to AIM or Facebook chat or something like that, it's a lot older. It's been in use since I think the late 80s, and it's still very, very widely used. So if you have any experience with IRC, yeah, this is just another IRC client. It's a little bit different from other IRC clients, as it doesn't have a GUI. It's all command line. So the way we're going to open is we're going to go into our terminal. I'm using Ubuntu here, but there are versions for lots of different operating systems. So to start, you're just going to type IRSSI, and then we have the application window, and you're just going to have a little thing that says status and pretty much just a blank screen from there. This is the window that you're going to normally use to look at all your different server connections. To start off, we're not connected to a server, so we're going to type connect irc.blacken.com, and that's a FNet server. It's one of the biggest IRC networks. So you're going to type in that connect command, and then you're going to see all this stuff on the screen, and that's just basically the client verifying with the server that you're connecting and everything. Then you'll have this big message of the day that'll show up. Now that we're connected to the server, we're going to type join, and then you're going to say the channel that you want. The channels start with a number sign usually. Joining test channel 1 here. As you can see, we just joined the channel, and we're in a separate window. See that says 2 over there? That means that we're in a separate window than the status window, so we're actually separate from all the stuff that you saw before, so that all that message of the day stuff is still back in window 1. So I can type hello there in my channel, and then whoever else is in that channel is going to see that. And I mean, yeah, that's basically the main user interface, is just going to be you chatting in channels. So I said hello there, and then the other guy in there says hi friend. So basically the way that you're going to change windows is you're going to hold down Alt and you're going to press a button. See, I just changed a window there. Hit Alt 1 and Alt 2 goes back to our channel window. Basically, if you have connections to other servers or other channels, you can switch between them by holding the Alt button and then pressing the key. The /n command that I just typed is going to show you who's in the channel. As you can see, I'm Ken over there. The other guy in the channel is called friend1. That little ampersand, or that little @ sign, means that he's an administrator, so he can do things like kick and ban and mute people and all that kind of fun stuff. Now I'm going to type /part. That's going to make us leave the channel, and then we're back to the status window by default, which is, as you saw before, window 1. The next command I'm going to use is connect, and then I'm going to connect to a new server. That's going to be freenode.com. Freenode is another really big IRC IRC network, I should say. So as you can see now, we're connected to Freenode. Important thing to realize is that we're also still connected to the Blacken server, which is the FNet server. So we just connected to Freenode. Now we're back at Blacken. The way you change between those servers is you hold Control and then press X. So see, I'm back on the Freenode network now. I'm going to type join test channel 1. You can see I'm in test channel 1, but now I'm in test channel 1 on the Freenode network. See how it says Freenode right here? That means that we're basically in a whole new place. The channel is called the same thing, but we're on a completely new network. So obviously that friend1 that was in the FNet test channel 1 is no longer in this channel because it's on a separate network. Alright, so the commands that we've gone over are connect, to connect to a network, join, to join a new channel, part, to leave the channel, and then we also went over how to change windows and how to change networks. Hopefully this has been at least somewhat informative for you. Thanks for stopping by and watching this video.